it, June.
Baby Booby Bird remembers a wake up and stretch dance that could wake up anybody. It's an arabesque. That's it, Baby Booby Bird. I told you could do it. We're going to need your help to wake up the giant tortoise. Stretch your whole body to this side with me. Arabesque. Good. Now stretch to the other side. Arabesque.
Look! The giant tortoise is stretching one of his legs. He's starting to wake up.
But to wake him up all the way, we need to stretch even further. Can you stretch your body further? Arabesque. Arabesque. Yeah, do it with me. That's it. Stretch as far as you can. Arabesque. Arabesque. He's awake. We did it.
All right.
Yay! Thanks, giant tortoise.
That was awesome, Baby Booby Bird. You woke up the giant tortoise.
That's not all he did. Congratulations, Baby Booby Bird. You just earned your arabesque sticker. Aww.
He's so happy. Way to go. Come on, team. We'd better hurry before another animal decides to nap in front of the tunnel.
Oh, don't be sad, Baby Booby Bird. We will get you to the ballet in time. We made it through the tunnel.
And listen, the ballet show sounds louder.
We're getting closer. Yes, but it sounds like the show is starting soon. We have to hurry.
Look, team, here's another sign. The sign says that next we have to go across this sandy beach.